In this video, we will show you how to design professional PowerPoint title slide. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Then let's start the video. Go to Insert, select Text box, write S here, pick a new font for your text, make your text a bit bigger, go to Format, select No Fill from Text Fill, click on Shape Outline, select Color, press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right side, select and change, take it down a little, press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right side, select and change, select this, press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right side, select and change with other alphabets, press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right side, select and change with other, select this, press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right side, select and change with other alphabets, press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right side, select and change with other, select all, go to Format, select Union from Merge Shape, then Align Center and Align Middle. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Rectangle, click on right button, Send to Back. Select both, select Combine from Merge Shape. Go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Drag across entire slide. Click on right button, Send to Back. Select Shape, click on right button. Go to Forward Shape, click on Gradient Fill, adjust tops. Select Color using eyedropper. Increase transparency and select outline color. Then close. Go to Insert, select Text box, write Creative PowerPoint Presentation here. Select and center your content. Change the color using eyedropper. Go to Character Spacing, adjust the spacing between character. Now click on Slideshow and watch the slide. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.